So what is sprint backlog? So as I said in the last video, all the user stories of that particular product would be added to the product backlog. Now we have an upcoming sprint and then you have to move certain stories to the next sprint. Then we'll be having this sprint planning or the prioritization calls where the business, the scrum master, the product manager, the business analyst, the technical lead, the solution lead, the QA lead, all will be coming, and then we would be prioritizing the stories for our next sprint. So the business would be saying, okay, I want this story. This is of high priority. This is a critical story which we need to consider in the next sprint. So those will be moving to the sprint backlog. Now the solution lead or the tech lead could be saying, from the technical standpoint, we want this story so that this feature can be developed. So this story is a must from our part. So that our story also becomes critical and priority one, and that also moves to the sprint backlog. So the user stories move from product backlog to the sprint backlog based on the priority from the business product owner, or it could be from the product manager or the business analyst or from the technical team as well. The user stories of high priority would be moved into the sprint backlog. The sprint backlog is the set of stories which would be the team would be taking up in the upcoming sprint. So based on the capacity of the team, the sprint backlog will be filled in. Say for example, for the next sprint, if it is of a 3-week sprint, and if the average capacity of the team is 40 story points, the sprint backlog would be having user stories worth around 40 to 45 user story points. Thank you. Bye-bye.